Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto E14, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So, to get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on my screen. Now once your content is prepped, meaning open and visible on your screen, all you need to do is hold your power button and volume down at the same time. You'll have the flash along with the pop-up with share and edit options visible, and after a moment this will disappear. Once it does so, you can find the captured screenshot in your gallery application. For some reason it's in landscape. Let's flip that. And your screenshot might be visible on the main page here, but you will have a better chance of finding your screenshots later on down the line by going into the folders, and in here you'll find an album called Screenshots. And here's the screenshot that I have just captured. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.